What's up, everybody? We are in Cookeville, Tennessee. We are starting in a barn dominium. We're going to be doing around 2,700 feet of LVP in this gorgeous newly built barn dominium. It's upstairs, downstairs. I believe we're putting in at least a 20 mil LVP, and I always recommend going at least 20 mil. We actually already got started in here. I forgot to do my walkthrough before and just remembered. So this is the flooring that we'll be putting in. And it goes all the way through here. And also a loft up here with a little office back here. There's something, no, this is the bathroom back here. I think the office was up front. But yeah, we have this loft. We're also doing the quarter round. But this is before and this is after. We still got to mop it, so excuse the dust. But I knew the sun was going down, so I did not want to wait because the only lights we have in here are just a couple right now and the sunlight, so I had to get my after video. Still putting the last drop. Gorgeous, gorgeous house. I love this house. It's a barn dominium. It's up here in Cookeville, Tennessee. Just absolutely gorgeous. We made sure the plank was tucked nicely under all the stone work. Thankfully, the stone guys left us just enough room to get it under there good. We got the trim up. And another thing, around these posts, we had to use a different trim. But yeah, and we got all this. The tornado room is done back there. That's surrounded by brick-o block. Bathroom, and last but not least, the closets. And we will see you guys on the next one, which will be Mobile, Alabama.